How to check if the stop lights on the Volkswagen Polo 9N are working properly. If you don't have someone to press on the brake pedal, here is a way to do it. Nice day today. You can use a stick to force press on the brake pedal and wedge it somewhere on this chair. Start the car so that you can press easily on the brake pedal. Now you can see this one is okay, it's on, but this one is off. Okay, just a stick. You can adjust the length. These are the stop lights. I bought them some time ago. I had to change it before also. 12 volts BA15S. This is some brand 3.5. I don't really care about the brand. What matters is that they are light bulbs. What's important is that they are light bulbs that will fit in the brake light socket, because some of them they will not fit. They have to have the specific shape. R 5 watts, so it's 5 watts. 12 volts BA15S for Volkswagen Polo 9N. Probably other Volkswagen Polo or even other Volkswagen cars. The light bulbs get hot, but the one I'm going to change is not working, so there is no heat on that one. Okay, it's a nice light bulb set. I paid about 10 euro or 12 euro for this. I could have went to a shop to change it for about 5 euro, but like this, maybe it would have been 10 euro, but like this I have them. Don't know, something is wrong with the brake lights. I had to change them 2 times. I think I changed them. Maybe there is one extra somewhere, or maybe I just changed on one side and then changed the other side also. The brand doesn't matter. 12 volts R5W is 5 watts E12849. This is the markings on it. What's important is the shape of these notches, or the backlights, or this. So let's try to check the other ones. Okay. I took one with me. Keep the rest for next time. So it's all good here. You have, this is the position lights for the night while driving, hazard lights, and the turn signal here is on the same side, and the same, there is the blinking is the hazard light and the turn light, and the stop position light here. This also works, and there should be also this for turn indicator, and this side for turn, and this side for turn, and hazard lights. Okay, all the lights are off. Behind here Don't know if you can see it. It's a screw that you can undo by hand. It's made to work like this. Okay, this thing. This has to open. That's the connector. Okay, here you have this. No, let's show you the bottom one. The top is 21 watts, the orange one. The lower one is 21 watts. Then here on the left, 5 volts, R5W. The one on the side here, it's a PY 21 watts. PY 21 watts. And the bottom one is P21 4 watts. Yeah, it's broken, I think. Not sure. This is the new one. And it's inserted. Click, click. Okay, let's see if it works. Got the stick back in position, and it's the top one. Okay, this is the top one. I have to get the lights for the top one. I changed the wrong light. I changed this position one, but I have to change the top one. It's okay.